Alright, so today I'm going to be talking about an application called Grids, which you can use as an Instagram client on your Mac. You can post to Instagram, you can also view stories, scroll through your feed here, and we have stories here. And to verify for myself, I just posted this on Instagram 1 minute ago. We make YouTube videos now, just search up iRepairs1Take Tutorials. That's pretty much it. It's a pretty basic Instagram client, but it is a surefire way to post to Instagram. So normally this costs $2.50 a month, but I'd recommend a subscription service called Setapp, which is around $10 a month. I know it's more, but you get with it 200 plus applications. These are the applications that we use on our Mac almost every day. Some amazing ones like this, which I'm using to play music on, clean my Mac to save storage, Downy to download videos from any site. And normally everything here costs money, but with this one subscription, you're gonna get it all. I'll leave a link to that in the description, and I hope this has been helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.